Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today, this video, let me show you the MacBook Pro. This is 14-inch 2024. The chip is M4 Max 128GB, and you can see the storage is 8 TB. Okay, let me show you the battery information. The battery cycle count 20 times, and the battery capacity is 100%. And you can see the GPU 40 cores and the CPU 16 cores, 12 performance cores, and 4 efficiency cores. And you can see this is the black color. You can see the keyboard, no problem, and you can see the keyboard, the backlight, no problem. Okay, let me show you the trackpad. The trackpad, smooth trackpad. Okay, no problem. And you can see the speaker grills, no problem, no scratches, no scratches. And this here is a little scratch. You can see little scratch here. And let me show you the M4 Max 40-inch 128GB. Okay, the back cover, no problem. And let me show you the you can see the ports. Okay, the minor scratches. Here's this corner, no problem, this corner, no problem. And you can see this is a little dent here, a little dent here. You can see the ports. Okay, the HDMI port, no problem. This edge also no problem. The powerful machine M4 Max. Beautiful machine. I like this machine M4 Max 128GB. And let me show you the the wallpaper. Okay, you can see no problem, no bright spots and dark spots. Okay, the beautiful screen. And let me show you another color. It's dark gray, I'll say. No problem, no problem. And if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more high-end machine with you. Okay, the beautiful machine. And you can see this is M4 Max 128GB and 8 TB. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can add my WhatsApp. I will send you the price list of all of the high-end machine. Okay, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next time. See you in the next video. Okay.